How to activate Google Lens on Android. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To activate yourself a Google Lens, it is pretty simple. Tap open your Google. In the search bar, you will see a lens icon or the camera icon. Tap on it. By this way, you can use a photo from your gallery or just click a photo of an item and search for it in your Google search engine. If you do not have this over here, tap open your Play Store and search for Google Lens. If you have not installed it yet, make sure to tap on the install button or update it, as sometimes it might be because of the bug or the glitch issue. The Google Lens will simply not work on your search engine. So these are some of the ways to activate your Google Lens. However, if you do not have both of these options, check out this next step. For this, you need to tap open your phone setting. In here, select the option of apps and head to all apps. Select on the three dot icon at the top and select on show system app. Then you need to search for lens and tap on it. Make sure that you have enabled your lens in your device. If not, force stop it, then head to storage and cache to clear it up to fix any of the bug or the glitch issue. This is how you will have to activate your Google Lens on your Android phone. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.